YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video. See the title, man. You see the thumbnail. Let me just say this right here, man. Disaster, man. Disaster. That's right. Straight disaster, man. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm getting it done today, man. That's right. What we doing? We are getting these headlights installed. Obviously the old one right here. You see all this white stuff, right? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's when the balance blew out, man. I got the old balance in the house, but this is the new one right here, man. Cause it had all that water inside there. So this the new balance, you feel me? You know what I mean? This the old HID right here. Yes, sir. For the passenger side. We got LEDs now, you know what I'm saying? These headlights are slightly different, man. What I mean by that is the wiring, man. They look the same. Y'all see this right quick. They look the same, but the wiring is different, man. The inside is slightly different, man. So I don't even know if these new ones gonna work. I probably can make it work by wiring, but I'm gonna tell you right now, it is cold as fuck right now, man. I got my own little heater right here, man. Look at this. Personal heater, man. You know what I'm saying? It is cold as hell. It's like 32, 33 degrees right now. And it's you see the weather. Oh, look at that. See the plane up there, man. You see the 10x zoom on here right quick. Where you at? Go back. That's like a 10x zoom on it. 12x right now. See, we get 100x, 20x right now. Yeah, man. May see a UFO or something. But anyway. Yeah, man. Right now, I just figure out what I'm gonna do, man. I'll tell you right now, man. I just want to throw the old shit back in, and I know for a fact it probably work out. Hopefully these wires should be cool too, but we'll see, man. So I'm gonna get all this wired up. You feel me?
Nah, baby.
And you gonna see I got the new LED headlight right here. It's already in there already though, but it's plug and play. But like I said, man, I'm worried about this wiring. Wiring slightly different inside here, and I don't know. So we gonna try hooking up to this, see if it works. If not, we throwing everything back in here, and it is what it is. And got all the water out, dried it all out. So I've been out for a couple days now. So, and I hate too that it got the little can't clean the inside, got the little water specks in there. But it is what it is, man. This is my daily, man. We ain't tripping, man. Daily Malibu, man. So, all right, man. I'm gonna cut you back on once I figure out what the hell going on. All right, YouTube, we back, man. Hey, man, I'm so stupid, man. Listen, see this blue plug right here? This is still the aftermarket wiring. I thought this blue plug was connected to something way back here in the back, because it was way back here, like stuck way back here. Cause I decided to pop it out. Hold on real quick. Hold on. All right, YouTube, this blue plug was so far in the back, I can't really zoom in, but it was way back there, right? And I never popped this out. So I'm looking like, how are they gonna send me a headlight with the wiring completely different? I popped this out, boom. This blue plug matches up with the ballast that's over there on the ground right there. Cause this is the old wiring, this blue plug right here. I'm looking like, man, how they gonna mess that up? But luckily, everything's good. So I actually can use the new headlight, which is, hold on right quick, slightly different. I'm sorry, YouTube, you know, doing everything in one hand. See, this got a darker bulb. Got more of a blue bulb, you know what I'm saying? So it probably won't be that much of a difference though, but it's gonna be cool though. So this is the factory, it's aftermarket. Look the same, but definitely on camera. Maybe if I could take this light out right quick, see how more blue it is. This is more dark blue, super dark blue. But yeah, man, I'm happy now. I ain't even, mind you, I've been waiting on this ballast for a week now. Thanksgiving holiday didn't help, but yeah. But also what we doing is we putting LEDs in now, man. So we still gonna use the ballast. We going to HIDs. We went from HIDs, now we going to LEDs. So to let y'all know right now, I do got, look at the big dogs. I do got LEDs in my driver's side right now. You know what I mean? So this is the LEDs inside the driver's side. Yes, they do work with the HID ballast. Thank God, because I don't want to mess with HIDs no more, man. Because you know, over time they burn out. LEDs pop right on immediately and everything's good, man. But yeah, let me put this in, reinstall this because it's cold as out here. And after that, I'm gonna show y'all the product, man. You feel me? All right, YouTube. All y'all do is put the cover on, pop the ballast back on here, put the screws on, put the cover on, put the cover on here, and basically, I think I installed my LEDs in here yet. Did that already. My driving headlights, the daytime running lights. So yeah, man, we're gonna install this right quick, and let's go. All right, YouTube, we got it in, man. Super bright now, man. Boy, you can definitely tell the difference between the new headlight and old. Yep, we good to go. This hitting though, boy. Hell yeah. You see this door, I might have to change this motherfucker next year, man. But yeah, it's no pain in the ass putting this shit on though, but definitely much clearer, much brighter. Everything works LED. You know what I mean? Took the HIDs out. Plug and play LEDs, man. Yes, sir, man. Yeah, but you see that mother looking glistening. Glistening in this 30-degree weather. I even got the lights popping up. You feel me? Yes, sir. And you see? Yeah, you see. Durango, Malibu, Impala.
Baby.
Yeah, man, we gotta take this for a spin, man. Look how bright these lights is now, man. Hell yeah. Fucking with this for sure. Would y'all like, share, subscribe, man. I gotta clean all this stuff up. Yeah. Good, man. Now we're 419. Yeah, we about to test drive this motherfucker right quick. But if y'all don't remember, I got the Impala done. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure I threw that in the video. Got the Impala fixed. No more loud ass noise. Damn, look at the damn key. No more loud noise. You feel me? So let me start this up. No more cold start loud Cadillac converter noise. No more. That mug used to be super loud, man. On my old videos, go check that out though. Yes, sir. Start up like it ain't nothing. You feel me? We about to move this up right quick. About to get the Durango popping. Warm start. Warm start. Big Durango warm start. Woo! It's cold shit, boy. I tell you, feel me? But yeah, man, we gonna definitely change out these change out these HIDs on this Impala in the future for sure. We going LEDs, man, cause man, number one, they last a whole lot longer. You feel me? And everything is basically plug and play, man. You know what I'm saying? So alright, we got that set. I'm gonna move this little big dog Rango. You feel me? Young figure, you feel me? We're gonna get the, then we're gonna take a ride. Look at that. Boy, I changed up all my lights to LEDs, man. Can't have that yellow crap, man. Can't have that yellow crap, man. You better have that. Man, why it's so dark in here? There we go. Phone not connected. My Bluetooth must be off. There we go. There we go. SRT light up, gang. Oh man, but I'm so happy now. I ain't gotta deal with this stupid Durango no more. I mean, not Durango, Malibu. I ain't gotta deal with that crap no more. No more one headlight and them cheap ass HIDs that's in there. I was producing 4,500K. You know what I mean? I was producing 4,500K. Now we producing that 65K. White lights, you feel me? Oh yeah, man, let me turn this off right quick. I got all my keys. I got all my keys. Alright, YouTube, I had to go adjust the driver's side headlight, you know what I mean? You know, that aftermarket, you know what I mean? But yeah, had to get it up there, get it straight, man. Right now, got the headlights and the fog lights on. I'm gonna turn the fog lights off. So you see the slight difference, you know what I mean? But we about to push the lanes. Why is it looking like a door? This door. About to push into these lanes, man. Hold on, man. So about to see how bright these lights is. Alright, YouTube, you see we riding. Man, these are bright, man. I think I might have to take the driver's side a little bit down some, just a tad bit. I don't want to be blinding nobody, you know what I'm saying? But these mugs are definitely A1 now, man. Definitely can see at nighttime. And if y'all ain't never been in a Malibu before, kind of like an Impala, man. Little blue lighting, you know what I mean? Blue lighting everywhere. Every time you turn the volume up and down, that go up and down. You know what I'm saying? But pretty clean, man. Pretty clean. But the lights is A1. Oh my God. Definitely a whole lot better, man. See farther. Yeah, this is straight dope, man. You know my girl gonna be happy now. See at nighttime. She gonna love it for real. So she's right now cheesing. When you watch this video, you probably cheesing right now. But yeah, man, once again, it's your boy Young Rich 419.